Ang sublimation large format ng DT Dumaguete ay ginagamit na 6 na araw na may 74 total meters. Ito naman printer head area. Ito naman po yung capping. Head clean. Punasan ng wiper pagkatapos mag-head clean. Nozzle test. Ang system tama lang po. Ground wire, AVR. Wistang tililinis lang po ito every Tuesday. Ito naman yung stock namin na SIM-YK. Ito naman yung subli paper roll. Consumable monitoring, subli paper, cyan, magenta, yellow, black, delay output record, at ICC profile. Yan lang po.